Hey everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Upgraded Project. Got a box today in the mail from ThruNite, my favorite flashlight company. Always have some very fine products from ThruNite. Always been satisfied. It's another one of their new lights. Let's see what we have here. And we've got a smaller sized USB rechargeable flashlight. And let's see, this is the ThruNite TC15. Hope you can see that. I am in the, we're running on pure solar power in the bedroom today. ThruNite TC15. So let's see what we have in the box here. There's an instruction manual. It looks like a probably warranty card or something in foreign language. Here's our typical ThruNite accessory pack. There's your spare washers, your spare switch covers, your lanyard, gaskets, and a USB charging port cover. Michelle is talking on the side here. She's watching me. We got the USB charging cable. We have a shirt clip. Oh, she's really talking now. And a pretty decent feeling sheath case with a clip-on or a belt clip. You can put that on your Molly backpack. Okay, let's open this up and take out the there it goes, the little tab that stops the battery from running on you. And there's your ThruNite, standard ThruNite 18650 battery. Oh, not so standard. This is a 3100 milliamp hour, and that's a IMR 18650. I'm not sure of the specs of the IMR. Is supposed to be a higher capacity. 11.16 watt hours capacity at 3.6 volts. These are a high discharge performance lithium ion rechargeable battery. So they're unique, and from my understanding is the lights that come with the IMR batteries only work with those batteries. That's what ThruNite told me. So that's one important thing to keep in the back of your mind when dealing with this. So let's see, we have, there's on, off, probably your typical ThruNite memory, and then hold the button and cycle through. Whoa, wow, there's low, medium, high. Wow, the camera dims it. That is bright. Woo. Alright, and then long hold, cycles through. I want to stay on medium or low for this. Double click. Wow, turbo mode, blinding me. Double click again, gives you the SOS. Wow, that is bright. So that's the TC15, mega bright. I just blinded myself. Woo, I can't see the papers here. Wow, and that's reflecting off my blanket. So we have, okay, after checking the specs, I now know why I blinded myself. This little tiny thing has a whopping 2,300 lumens. This, in my hand, 2,300 lumens. This little light. That is insane. It doesn't run very long at that level, but it's crazy bright. With a range of 807 feet, which is about 246 meters. I can't wait to take this out in the woods and play with that. That is a crazy bright light. Has your typical, if you hold it in long press from the off position, has your typical ThruNite Firefly Mode, which is relatively safe to look at. Very low for night reading mode. You can read a book by it. It's your great stealth mode, survival, stealth, and camping mode. You could read a book by that light in a tent and not bother your friends or family or whatever. So that's cool. And then off again. Just crazy bright, this thing. Wow. Oh, it's crazy bright. So on high, it's 1050 lumens. And on medium, 250 lumens. On low is 25 lumens. Firefly is 1 lumen, which doesn't sound like much, but the ThruNite lights are really kick out the light considering the lumens. So then strobe is 830 lumens, and your runtime on high is 90 minutes, which isn't bad really for a flashlight of this size and for that power. Wow. Medium is 6.5 hours, and you can run it for low on 68 hours. Firefly will run 45 days, so you could turn this thing on and use it as a nightlight for a couple months straight, all night, every night, for a couple months with no problem at all, without ever recharging it. Of course, I always have USB charging capabilities with me, which make it great because I can charge the ThruNite literally anywhere, anytime. I have hand crank chargers, solar chargers, battery packs, all kinds of different ways to charge these, plus charging it in the car, in the house, on our off-grid solar power. So I love the USB rechargeable devices from ThruNite. There is a battery light indicator which turns red once it goes low, and if I turn this on strobe light, not blinding myself, wait a minute, and I left it on for a while, that would eventually start to fade to red. Ooh, I can't keep that on that long. Hurts my head. Indoors, it's too bright indoors. So that will also show you the status of charge as you're charging the battery. So that's a great little thing. Winter is upon us, and one of the features of this particular light is, I noticed right off the start, the unique pattern on the grip. They say this is a pattern that makes it glove friendly. So we'll have to try that out since winter is here, cold weather is here. Yes, Michelle, it is exciting, isn't it? Huh? So that'll definitely be something we check out. The convenient lightweight, it's only 4 ounces, which makes it awesome for everyday carry or in your survival or bug out bag. So stay tuned, guys, for the full review. This is the ThruNite TC15 extreme high power flashlight with a crazy powerful Cree XHP35 LED. You do not want to look into this thing when it's on. Going to do the full review in the next few days here, so stay tuned. And I'll put the links below for those who want to buy it, especially with winter on the way and a special grip there. We will be putting this through the works, as we always do. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, trying out another fine ThruNite product. Talk to you later.